Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 14th October. Let's start. In the year of 1643, on this day, Bahadur Shah I, the Mughal Emperor of Delhi, was born. In the year of 1882, on this day, University of the Punjab was established in Simla. It was the fourth university in India to be established by the British colonial government after Calcutta, Mumbai and Madras. In the year of 1884, on this day, Lala Hardayal, India's famous revolutionary and the founder of Ghadar Party, was born. In the year of 1953, on this day, the State Duty Act came into force in India. In the year of 1956, on this day, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar accepted Buddhism in Kochana along with his 3,85,000 followers and advised his followers to follow 22 Buddhist vows. In the year of 1964, on this day, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. was rewarded Nobel Peace Prize at the age of 35 for running a non-violent movement against apartheid in American society. Born in the US state of Georgia, King became the youngest person to receive the Nobel Peace Prize. In the year of 1981, on this day, Hosni Mubarak became the fourth president of Egypt. In the year of 1999, on this day, the Nuclear Test Ban Treaty (CTBT) was rejected in the US Senate. In the year of 2000, on this day, the United States closed its embassies in 22 countries including Pakistan. In the year of 2004, on this day, the National Assembly of Pakistan passed a bill to retain President Pervez Musharraf as the army chief. In the year of 2004, on this day, Dattopant Thengdi, a nationalist trade union leader, passed away. He was the founder of Swadeshi Jagran Manch, Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh and Bharatiya Kisan Sangh. In the year of 2007, on this day, Nepal was approved by the International Atomic Energy Agency for the use of nuclear technology in the medical and agricultural sectors. In the year of 2008, on this day, the Reserve Bank of India announced the release of an additional 200 Arab rupees to meet the needs of mutual funds. In the year of 2010, on this day, the 19th Commonwealth Games running in the capital Delhi was completed. In the year of 2014, on this day, the World Health Organization announced that the death toll from the Ebola virus is 4,447 and the death toll has reached 70%. In the year of 2018, on this day, Afghan batsman Hazratullah Jajai became the sixth player in cricket history to hit six sixes in an over. In T20, he is third position. He scored 62 runs in 17 balls at We Wall Legends in Kabul Jawan in the Afghanistan Premier League. In the year of 2019, on this day, Margaret Atwood was awarded the Booker Prize for The Testaments and Bernadette Evaristo for Girl, Woman, Other. Evaristo became the first black woman to receive the Man Booker Prize. In the year of 2019, on this day, Esther Duplo, Abhijit Banerjee and Michael Kramer received the Nobel Prize for Economics for their research on ways to fight poverty. In the year of 2019, on this day, hundreds of forest fires killed three in western Lebanon and calls for international help. In the year of 2020, on this day, noted Kuchipudi dance exponent Shobha Naidu passed away at the age of 64 at a private hospital in Hyderabad. In 2001, she was awarded the civilian honor of Padam Shri by the Government of India. In the year of 2020, on this day, Chief Minister of Odisha, Naveen Patnaik, had inaugurated Sujal Drink from Tap Mission scheme to provide round-the-clock supply of quality tap drinking water in all urban areas of the state. In 2020, on this day, the Union Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi approved the Memorandum of Understanding between India and Australia on sustainable groundwater management. In the year of 2020, on this day, Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan had launched the second phase of Thalassemia Bal Seva Yojana for underprivileged thalassemia patients. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Union Ministry of New and Renewable Energy had announced that India and France have been re-elected as the President and co-chair of International Solar Alliance respectively. They will serve this post for a period of 2 years. That's all. Thanks for watching and support. Kindly like and share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.